Hi, my name is Alan Pettingale. I am a masonry restoration specialist. I have a question for you. If a mild steel cavity wall tie has a life expectancy of 50 years. Now let's go back 50 years. That would take us back to 1974. My second question is, what about all the buildings that were built in 1964, 1954, 1944, and 1934, and some historic buildings before that? Millions of masonry buildings are not inspected. However, your car is inspected every year to make sure it's safe. Come to think of it, we humans have a physical every year. So why are masonry buildings not inspected? As an engineer, an architect, or a contractor, would you let a family member or loved ones walk under an unsafe building?